Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame. As we can see, continuing to retrace as you would expect after this very nice move that we have seen on this third wave up to the upside for this bull market for Vechain that I've been looking at. You can see quite clearly here Vechain's come up and made a new swing high in this cycle and looking very, very bullish indeed, as we are basically looking for now, I would say, maybe a little bit more upside before a decent cooling off and retracement period. We have seen a very, very parabolic move over the past month or so for Vechain. You can see ever since the election we've had this big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move to the upside, taking out the local swing high, which was sat at around 5.5 cents, come up to a swing high here of about 8 cents, which is a very, very nice move from down here at just under 2 cents, so around a 4x in a month off of these lows, which is a very nice move indeed for Vechain. You can see we had that big descending wedge, just like a lot of cryptos in the large cap space did have, and some small caps as well. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside in this local area, having a bit of a retrace now and a cooling off period, as you would expect, potentially forming up something like this, a bit of a pennant formation that you could be looking at, or as a lot of other cryptos are looking like as well, maybe just a bit of a descending wedge like this, as we retrace, looking for maybe one last push to the upside in this overall third wave before we do see a significant cooling off period before that final push to the upside for the bull market. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside that we're looking for Vechain and the rest of the crypto market. This right now looking like it's playing out pretty much as I expected for the past, I've been looking at this for about 6 months now to a year. Ever since we got this breakout of the bear market range, you can see a pretty clearly defined range here that we broke out of. I was looking for a back test in this area, but we did actually get a 50% retrace into the range, as you can see. And then a massive, massive nice bullish move to the upside with obviously the favourable crypto election result for the US, which saw all of our cryptos moving to the upside in a big way. Loads of large caps moving up for this third wave here, looking really for Vechain to head from anywhere from around that 6 cent level up to around 10, or maybe even up to around 14 cents into this area, up towards that 0.78 Fibonacci level. Right now, Vechain basically just looking like it's doing exactly what I've been expecting it to do. Very, very nice move to the upside in general. And right now, basically just waiting for confirmation of another direction, a clear direction in the market that Bitcoin's going to provide pretty soon. If we take a quick look at Bitcoin, because we know that it leads the market, you can see it's hit a new all-time high today again, up here at around 106.5k, which is nice to see, but obviously we are probably going to be looking at getting a retrace soon, in my opinion. You can see we are heading into some pretty significant bearish divergences for Bitcoin as it continues to grind to the upside here, and I think there is potential going into a new week, or maybe next Monday going into another new week, that we could see quite a decent red candle and retracement for Bitcoin pretty soon. There are an absolute ton of leverage long positions all the way down, back down to the previous all-time high area of around 74k, and I do think we could get a 30-40% correction for Bitcoin pretty soon. As you can see, we are grinding to the upside right now, but I think a very, very decent correction for Bitcoin to the downside could be on the cards, considering that we haven't seen any retracement really since we broke out towards these new all-time highs, just continuously making new all-time highs in this area here. You can see I think Bitcoin could come back down towards at least 80, this 90 to 80k area here, which would be a 20 or 25% correction from the all-time high. It's very, very possible, and obviously if that's the case, we will be seeing Vechain getting a retrace as well. If we take a quick look at Vechain's price action recently, we have just been cooling off. Bitcoin's been grinding to the upside still. I've seen a few small caps moving, but really not much right now in the market is moving. I think apart from Bitcoin grinding to a new all-time high, mostly we've just been seeing all of our markets just having a little bit of a cooling off period, a bit of a retrace as you would expect after such a big bullish continuation to the upside that we've seen for a lot of cryptos. Vechain here looking really, really nice though, as I said. The weekly time frame looking exceptionally good as well. Not much to report, apart from just, as I said, a very, very nice looking bullish chart. Clear resistance and support being formed for the range of the bear market, the break, the retest into this area of demand, and then the lovely run to the upside for a new swing high, making higher highs and higher lows on the macro. And now we're either going to get an extension up and then a long cooling off period before our final push, or we could see ourselves just go sideways for a good while here like this before the final push as well. Overall, as I said before, I'm still feeling confident that Vechain's going to head up towards its all-time high, probably make a new all-time high in this market cycle. And also, as I said in my previous videos, I'm looking to wait for this long position that I've got here, looking to take advantage of that fourth wave retrace that we're going to see soon, back down probably into this area, anywhere from 4 or 5 cents, depending on how far this third wave goes up. If we do see a nice retrace here, I'm going to be getting in to a position when we start to go sideways like we did previously, and then look to capture that final big long position to the upside as we go into that final stage of the bull market. The monthly time frame looking really, really good here as well. As we can see, very, very nice higher highs and higher lows. Right now we're basically just looking to see how far this next wave can go before that retrace and that final push up towards the all-time high. Overall, Vechain looking really, really good for some more continuation. We're just waiting to see what will happen today. If Bitcoin's going to drag the markets down and we'll get quite a decent red candle for Vechain and the rest of the market, or we'll see what happens if Bitcoin does continue to chop sideways and maybe get another extension to the upside of this bullish move we've been seeing. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.